Hi, this video demonstrates how to add values inside two objects using user-defined function. For the demonstration purpose, I defined a class named point with containing two variables x and y. So these are the coordinate for a point, two-dimensional point. Then I am creating two objects of this point class. One is p with the value 7 comma minus 3 and another one is q object with the value 4 and 10. Then I am trying to add these two objects together and displaying the final one. So in order to run this program, you click the sequence diagram. If you want to see how many classes are in this program, you can click the class diagram. It will show what are the functions, variables are in each and every class. So I am clicking the sequence diagram. It's showing two options, previous and next. Click the next button. It's showing that the currently executed function is the main function in the driver class. Then inside the main function, I am going to create an object of the point class named p. For creating the point p, I have to pass the x and y value. Then control will comes to its corresponding setter function. I am assigning the variable x to 7 and y to 3. After creating object, the control back to the main method. I am going to create the next object. It's named q with the value 4 and 10. So now we'll control go back to this constructor. Here both x and y is initialized with 4 and 10 respectively. Then now I created both objects. After that, I am going to call the function named sum. It is a user defined function which is defined in the point class using the object p. When I am passing the sum function, I am passing the second object to this one. So what is this function is doing basically is that this function inside the sum function, we are creating a new object of the point class by adding the x value of the current object, that is the p, and the pointer object q is already passed to this sum. It's named it as that here. So we are getting the value from this q using that dot x, and this dot x current to the current object x value. The current object is p and that object is referred, or that keyword is referred to q. So now we are getting the values of both the p and q and we are adding it. Similarly, for getting the y value from the p and q, we are using this dot y for getting value from p object and that dot y for getting the value from the q object. So now we are going to extract these values and we are returning new point object. And finally we are displaying that value. So here you can see that the final object of this point has x value as 11. 11 comes from 7 plus 4 and y values as minus 3 plus 10, that is 7. So this is the new object which has the sum of the x value from the other two point class object, namely p and q. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.